Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC300010 Sugar Refractometer. This refractometer covers the Brix range from 0 to 32%, making it useful in a wide variety of quality control applications. For example, assessing the sugar content of fruit juices, wine, milk, soft drinks, and yeast culture solutions. In addition, this refractometer features automatic temperature compensation, which makes manual temperature corrections unnecessary. In the box, there's an instruction manual, a zip-closed carry case with a handle, a lint-free cloth to clean the prism, a calibration screwdriver, a small bottle of distilled water, a pipette, and the optical refractometer. No batteries required. This refractometer consists of the prism and prism cover plate, calibration screw, the barrel with an easy grip surface, the eyepiece with a focusing ring, and 2 feet to stop the meter from rolling when you set it down. To take a reading, all there is to do is place the material on the prism and look through the eyepiece to view the clear percentage table. To see an instrument choice scientist calibrate and take measurements using the IC300010 Sugar Refractometer, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!